Moving internationally is a big undertaking, but many of the challenges people experienced are completely avoidable. Today, we're talking about a few common mistakes and how a little preparation can make your move much smoother. Waiting too long. One of the biggest mistakes is delaying the process planning. People often focus on visas, flights, housing before thinking about their household shipment. While these items are all important, your move becomes much easier when you start planning transportation early. Taking everything. Moving is a great opportunity to simplify. Instead of automatically shipping everything you own, take time to decide what you'll need in Spain. Many customers find that downsizing before the move makes unpacking and settling into their new home much easier. Incomplete paperwork. International moves require documentation. Missing or incomplete paperwork can create unnecessary delays and additional stress. Keeping your documents organized and responding quickly when information is requested helps the process to move forward more smoothly. Trying to do it all yourself. International relocations involve far more than transportation. Professional guidance from SDC can help you avoid common problems, answer questions before they become issues, and coordinate every stage of the move from start to finish. You don't have to figure everything out on your own. Most moving mistakes aren't caused by bad luck. They're caused by rushing the process or not asking questions. Planning and working with experienced professionals like SDC can help you avoid many of the challenges that first-time international movers encounter. Thanks for joining us. If you want more information, give us a call at 844-651-7050 or visit our website, movertospain.com.